Hey everyone, welcome back to Automated Word, the channel where we break down the coolest AI tools, automation trends, and productivity hacks to keep you ahead of the curve. Today, we're talking about something huge. Imagine an army of AI workers, not robots on a factory floor, but cloud employees that live entirely online, working for you 24/7, handling everything from social media to customer support. And they do it exactly like a human would. Sounds sci-fi. Well, a company called Warmwind just launched what they claim is the first real AI operating system, and it might just redefine how we work. Stick around, because I'm going to break down how these AI agents actually see your computer screen, click buttons, fill out forms, talk to each other, and work while you sleep. We'll look at whether this is just hype or if Warmwind is really about to kill boring, repetitive tasks forever. Let's dive in. What is Warmwind AOS? So, what exactly is Warmwind's AI operating system? Or, in simple terms, it's like hiring an invisible digital worker that logs into your apps, clicks around, types stuff, drags files, and does tasks just like you would. No APIs, no complicated integrations, no coding, just tell it what to do, literally show it, and it learns. You access this entire system from your browser, so no local setup, no heavy installations, no GPU headaches, just open Chrome, Safari, whatever, and you're good to go. This means small teams or solo entrepreneurs can get started instantly, while big companies can spin up thousands of these agents at once. How does IT work? Here's how it works. 1. Teach mode. You show the agent what you want. For example, click here, type there, drag that file, the agent watches and learns. 2. Prompt guidelines. You can add extra instructions, like if this error pops up, do this instead. 3. Once trained, the AI runs the workflow by itself, even if your laptop is closed or you're offline. And it does not just one task. You can deploy armies of agents that handle entire workflows, data entry, customer support tickets, social media replies, DevOps monitoring, even accounting tasks. Plus, here's the kicker. These agents see the UI using vision language models. So they're not just scraping text like old school bots. They understand buttons, menus, pop-ups, just like your eyes do. That means they keep working even if the software interface changes slightly. REAL use cases, okay? But what can you actually use this for? Customer support AI agents reply to customer emails or live chats, escalate tough cases, and log everything automatically. Social media, they post updates, reply to comments, flag trolls, and even do basic community moderation. Recruiting, imagine an agent scanning resumes, sending follow-ups, scheduling interviews, while you focus on actual interviews. Accounting, data entry, invoice matching, expense tracking. Boring tasks gone. DevOps agents can monitor dashboards, alert you if servers go down, or even restart processes. Basically, anything repetitive and routine. Give it to your AI employees. Why this is different? Now, you might be thinking, haven't we seen bots before? Yes, but here's why Warmwind is different. Traditional automation tools need APIs or custom integrations. They break if an app's layout changes, or they can't reach parts of an app that don't have open APIs. Warmwind's AI agents, they just look at the screen, like you do, and adapt. No APIs needed, no custom code. They also super fast. Tasks that take you 10 minutes might take them 6 or 7, and they run 24/7. Security and scale, and if you're wondering about security, Warmwind hosts everything in the EU with end-to-end encryption. Each agent runs in its own isolated container, so if one gets compromised, the rest stays safe. Permissions are strict. You control exactly what each agent can see and do. So it's designed for regulated industries like finance or healthcare too. And scaling, you can have one agent, 10 or 10,000, just like spinning up cloud servers. What's next? Warmwind isn't stopping here. They're already testing things like voice commands, so you could literally talk to your AI workers. They're also planning session replays, so you can see exactly what your agents did step by step, which is great for compliance and debugging. Plus, they're working closely with testers and creators, so if you have a unique use case, you can build custom workflows or even new agent roles. My take, so, is Warmwind's AOS the future of work? I think it is a huge step forward, especially for small teams who want to punch above their weight and automate the boring stuff without expensive developers. It's not perfect yet. You still need to teach your agents well, and they probably won't handle super complex judgment calls like humans can. But for repetitive rule-based tasks, this could seriously change the game. What do you think? Would you trust an AI employee to run your daily tasks? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what workflows you would automate first. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive into the future of work and AI tools. This is Automated Word. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay productive, stay curious, and automate smart. Subscribe, watch next video, and follow for more informative videos.